Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use time effectively, drawing from the wisdom of Myles Munroe. Time is a precious, non-renewable resource, meaning once it's gone, you can never get it back. Each of us, whether rich or poor, young or old, is given the exact same 24 hours every single day. The key to a fulfilling life isn't about having more time, but about how wisely you use the time you have to pursue your true purpose. Myles Munroe emphasized that life without purpose is time without meaning. Therefore, the first step to effective time management is clearly defining your life's purpose and vision. Once you know your purpose, you can then prioritize your daily activities. Focus on tasks that directly contribute to your long-term goals, rather than getting caught up in urgent but ultimately unimportant distractions. This intentional approach ensures every moment counts towards your destiny. Now, let's talk about compensation and benefits. Bank of America internships are full-time and paid, with hourly salaries generally ranging from $22 to $55. Many locations provide housing stipends or relocation support, which can be a significant help. Interns are also eligible for benefits such as the Employee Assistance Program and 401(k) vesting credit if they become full-time employees. Additionally, some programs offer scholarships for future academic expenses. Ultimately, using time effectively is about creating a lasting impact and fulfilling your potential. Invest your time in activities that produce enduring value, not just immediate gratification. Your present actions are the building blocks of your future legacy, so make choices today that you will be proud of tomorrow. Myles Munroe taught that success is making it to the end of your purpose. By maximizing each moment, you can fulfill your divine assignment and bless the world with your unique contributions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.